Hello, I am Rahul Shawari. Today's topic is what is constructor in Java. So basically, today I say about the constructor and where use, what is and why use in constructor in Java. So basically, constructor means same constructor has the same name as the class name. Means the constructor name and class name has always same, because the constructor is always automatically count when is no created you in class. It is JVM automatically converted the default constructor when you user not created in default parameter constructor and non-parameter constructor. So constructor means it is a special type of method to initialize the object. It is a only used for initializer object. When you create one class, create the in different types of method in class level, but you used to in another class and run called the method, then you will use the object. But object, it is always combined with the constructor. When you create the methods object, then automatically called the default constructor. There are three types of constructor in Java. So basically, default constructor, parameters constructor of user, and non-parameter constructor. So basically, constructor means it is a special type of method to initialize the object. To every program and every executing code, always one present the default constructor. That it is a JVM automatically converted when you not create the an parameterizer constructor. So basically, default constructor means you not create the constructor in single class, then automatically JVM converted and compile the program. So parameters constructor means you can constructor write in a single class that same name as the class name. So constructor have no return type. It is always no return type, directly block of code with the class name. You parameterize the constructor means it is a you declare the parameter in a parenthesis, that's like the signature. You perform the constructor like the int, string, character, long, as well as your parameter is also like user like. So parameter is always not final, static, and abstract, because the constructor has always the creating object, but final, static, and abstract class, it is no need of creation the object, because static method always called with the class name. It is no need of the creating objection. And final means it is a constant, then you will create the final methods variable and as well as, then you will cannot be override any of the class and out of the class. So every time constructor is a every time public, should be the public. Public means it is used the another class and another method. So constructor is the overloading is possible, because the constructor has the same name but different parameters. Means it is a overloading is possible, and overriding is also possible. So basically, constructor is always used in a program. So basically, it is mainly used for store the global variables in local variable, and the local global variable always store in a local, same as the local variable, then it will be used the constructor. So